Welcome back. In today's class, let's learn how to create a new line type. So, what do you mean by that? So, today's topic is all about how we can create different types of new customized lines. Can you see in the properties bar, okay, in the section, okay? So, under the bilayer section, you have different types of line types, okay? So, you can see continuous lines, you can see dashed lines. If you just click on, okay, others option and you go back, okay, so here and click on load, you will see even more line types which are available by default in AutoCAD. Okay, so apart from what is there by default, you can also create a new line type. That is the main hack that we are talking about, because when you see a drawing, sometimes you have to create different types of line types. Okay, that is what we learned during our professional journey. So being a fresher, it can be like a little clumsy to understand, like, okay, can we create this, how do I create it, what is the process? So it's very simple. I'm going to explain you the step by step process. I'll break it down in a way that you all can understand. Okay, so let me click on cancel on all those things. So first step you have to do is create the name. Okay, create the name of the line type and make sure the process what I'm telling now exactly you have to apply the same. Okay, so first of all, let's say I create a line type of DA being repeating. So because our academy name is DHYAN Academy, so I'll try to take a short form of DHYAN Academy as DA and I'll try to create the same line type throughout. Okay, so let me just explain you the process for that. First of all, for this you have to use the text option. So there are two types of text options that you all know. So we are going to use only single line text option. Okay, do not use the M text option. So let me give text option here. Now you just have to create your text here. Okay, so let me just create it. Okay, now I'm gonna write it DA. Okay, now what you have to do is just here you have to just give lines on both the ends in this manner. Okay, fine. Now what you are going to do is just go to the express tool options on the top. Can you see on the top you have all the menu bars? So here you have to go to the express tools option. Now in this section on the right side at this point under the tools, okay, can you see here you have tools? So in this you have to select the make line type option. So select that make line type option. Now it is asking me where do you want to save it. So I would like to save it in my folder where I have, okay, so new line type section is there and here I would like to place it. But can you see on the bottom of file of type you have line type as an option. Okay, so this is the file extension of that line type. Now here the name should be exactly what you have given as a text. So you have to give DA. Always remember, whatever the text that you add in the line type, the same should be the file name. The description should also be the same. Everything will be the same text which you will create in the line. Okay, just see the process. Click on save option. Okay, and then can you see in the command bar, I want all of you to just look into the command bar. Here it is asking me enter the line type name. Again you write it as DA. Okay, give enter key. Again it is asking me line type description. Again I'll tell DA. Then it is asking me define the start point. Okay, this is my start point. Again it is asking me define the end point. So I'm telling this as my end point. Now it is telling me select everything. Okay, now I'll tell you a simple hack here. When you create your text using your text option, okay, D text option, not the M text option, okay, everything will get selected. When you use the multi-line text option, this DA will not get selected. So that is how you will understand where you're missing and what exactly the error has happened. Okay, selection will help you to understand if it is getting selected, you're on right track. If it is not getting selected, then go back and again create a new text. Okay, and that's what you have to identify. Next, click on enter key and you will see in the command bar line type DA created and loaded. Okay, now what you have to do is you just go back. Okay, I would like to show you in the folder. So let us go to our folder create a line type, and here if you notice, okay, can you see there is this option called DA. Okay, so DA is what we have created, and this is the file extension that you can see here, file type. Okay, AutoCAD line type description. Now let me come back to my AutoCAD here. Now it is loaded. Now how do you identify whether it is loaded or not is just go to this layers section. Okay, in the properties bar. Okay, in the by layer section you have to check here. There is a line type DA. Can you see that it is already loaded here? So now let me show you. I'll just get back my command bar to my bottom section. Okay, now simply I'll create a rectangle. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is select it and come back and select this DA. Can you all see? So my line type is created. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll just create a single line and again I'll go back and try to select it and show you. You see? Okay, let me give PL enter and try to show you. Okay, select it, go back and select this. Okay, this is how your line type will be created. You can give any number of text, that is not a problem. The spelling can be wrong as well. The process is very simple. Make sure you use the text option, create your text, and on either sides create the line type. So here I have used continuous lines. Okay, if you want you can use the dash lines also. Okay, whatever the line type you want to add, you add it on both sides. Once it is done, okay, you just have to go to the express tools option and go to the tools option, select this make line type. Make sure the AutoCAD file, one simple rule that you should not break it is always the AutoCAD file and the line type where you're saving should be in the single folder. So that's how they will link itself and try to load the file in this AutoCAD file only. Okay, so in case, okay, in case the files are in different locations, sometimes it doesn't load it. So it's always make sure that both files are in the same folder, then only it will be interlinked and it will be loaded easily, and that's how it will be appearing in the properties section. Okay, this is a simple hack and hope you will try to apply multiple types of line types by using a number of text or different varieties of the thought process that you have, and create it and try to check whether you're getting or not. In case if you're not able to get it, please do ask in the comment section and our team will get back to it. In case of more details, you can contact our administration team as well. Okay, we'll see about more hacks about the professional tools that we generally do it in our work culture. So please do subscribe to our channel. We'll get back to you again. Thank you.